Hi guys, we hope you are doing fine now. We have to solve sine 3x, which is equal to sine x. Here, sine 3x minus sine x, this is equal to 0. Remember that sine A minus the sine of B, this is equal to, it's 2 cosine of A plus B over 2 times the sine of A minus B over 2. Now, sine 3x minus sine x, so this must be 2 cosine of 3x plus x over 2 times the sine of 3x minus x over 2, guys. This is 2 times the cosine, 3x plus x, that is 4x over 2, that is 2x times the sine, 3x minus x, that is 2x divided by 2, that is x. Now, since this is equal to 0, this must be equal to 0. Where 2 cosine x, cosine 2x, sine x, guys, must be equal to 0. Let's divide 2 on both sides. We have cosine 2x sine x, which is equal to 0. Now, see that we have the product of cosine 2x and sine x, which is 0. One of them between cosine 2x and sine x must be equal to 0. Let's start from cosine 2x, which is 0. Here, cosine 2x must be 0, or sine x must be 0. Now, let's do it like this. Cosine 2x, which is 0, well, it is very clear that cosine 2x must be cosine of plus or minus pi over 2 plus the period 2k pi. And cancel cosine on both sides. We have 2x, which is plus or minus pi over 2 plus the period 2k pi. Well, dividing everywhere by half by 2, here we have x, which is plus or minus pi over 4 plus 2k pi. Let's come back here on the sine x, which is 0. Since sine x is 0, the angle which gives 0 in sine, that is 0. Well, sine x must be 0. The sine x is the sine of 0 plus the period 2k pi. And cancel sine on both sides. X will be 0 plus 2k pi. And you know 0 is an identity element in addition. That's why here x must be 0. We have 3x values of which the solution set here will be, but here is over 2. The solution set will be minus pi over 4 plus the period, which is k pi 2 over 2, that is. And the second solution is 0. 0 plus 2k pi is also 2k pi. Nothing chance. Here is 2k pi. And the other value is this positive. Here is pi over 4 plus the period k pi. This is the solution to our question. Thank you very much for watching. Before leaving, guys, I want to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share the video. Your like is very, very important to the channel. May God bless you guys.